In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Trello card as done. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows, but sometimes it can be a bit tricky to know the best way to manage tasks once they're completed. Let's dive in and explore two straightforward methods to mark a Trello card as finished. First off, you'll want to log into your Trello account. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Trello website or open the Trello app on your device. Once you've logged in, navigate to the board containing the card you're ready to mark as complete. Boards in Trello act as big virtual whiteboards, each filled with individual task cards. Find the board where your task resides. The first method we'll discuss is archiving the card. Archiving is a great option if you want to keep your board clean and uncluttered once tasks are finished. To archive a card, simply right-click on it. A menu will appear, giving you several options. Select Archive. This moves the card out of sight but doesn't delete it permanently. Archiving is handy because you can still access these cards later if needed. If you ever need to look back at archived cards, just open the board menu and select Archived Items, where you can review them as necessary. Now let's move on to the second method, moving the card to a done list. This option is best if you prefer to keep a visual record of completed tasks. To do this first, ensure you have a done list on your board. If you don't have one yet, there's an easy way to set it up. Click on Add Another List on your board and name it Done, then save it. Once you have your done list ready, it's as easy as dragging and dropping. Simply drag the completed card over to this newly created list. This method is perfect for those who like to visually track productivity over time and can serve as a motivating tool to see all you've accomplished. Both methods are effective, and the choice between them depends on how you prefer to manage your completed tasks. Whether you prefer the tidiness of archiving or the visual satisfaction of a done list, Trello has you covered. Go ahead and try out these different ways of marking your tasks as done. With these options, you can customize your Trello experience to suit your organizational needs, making it easier and more fun to track your progress. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for tuning in and happy task managing.